Before we begin connecting your EETV box, let's make sure you have everything ready for a smooth setup process. First, ensure your internet connection meets the minimum requirements. You'll need at least 10 megabits per second for HD content, or 25 megabits per second for the best 4K experience. Also, have your EE account login details ready. Step 1 is connecting the power. Connect the power adapter to your EETV box and plug it into a dedicated power outlet. Avoid using extension leads for the most stable power supply. Step 2 is the HDMI connection. Use an HDMI cable to connect your EETV box to your television. Make sure to enable HDMI CEC in your TV settings. This allows you to control both your TV and box with a single remote. Step 3 is connecting to your network. For the most stable connection, use an Ethernet cable to connect the box directly to your router. Alternatively, newer EETV box models support Wi-Fi 6 for wireless connectivity. Step 4 is powering on and waiting for initial setup. Once all connections are made, power on your EETV box. The box will automatically begin its boot process and download software updates. This typically takes 10 to 15 minutes, so be patient and allow the update cycle to complete fully. During this time, you'll see the update progress on your screen. Do not power off the device during this process, as it could cause setup issues. Once the initial setup and software updates are complete, your EETV box will be ready for network configuration and personalization, which we'll cover in the next section. Now that your EETV box is physically connected and has completed its initial boot sequence, we need to finalize the setup with network configuration and personalization options. The first step is configuring your network connection. Your EETV box supports both wired Ethernet and wireless Wi-Fi connections. If you connected an Ethernet cable during the initial setup, the network configuration will happen automatically. The box will detect the wired connection and configure itself. For Wi-Fi connections, you'll need to manually select your wireless network from the available options and enter your network password. Next, you'll need to link your EEID to the TV box. This step is crucial for accessing all premium features and services included with your EE subscription. After account linking, the TV box will automatically scan for available channels. This includes both Freeview channels and any premium channels included in your EE subscription. Now it's time to personalize your EETV box experience. You can set up individual user profiles for family members and configure parental controls to ensure appropriate content access. With setup complete, you now have seamless access to major streaming platforms through a single, unified interface. Your EETV box integrates Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and BBC iPlayer all in one place. For optimal performance, ensure automatic updates are enabled to receive the latest features and security improvements. If you encounter any issues, double-check your internet connection and verify all cables are securely connected.